What's up YouTube? Welcome to Agrawal Bros. I am Akshat, and in today's video I'm gonna be telling you an extremely secret way of making good amount of money. I'm gonna tell you a way through which you can drive insane amount of traffic to your website, to your blog, to your affiliate offer, to your YouTube channel, whatever you like. This is the exact strategy that is being used by internet marketers, internet gurus all over the world. They are not going to tell you this, but you will find the strategy right here on my channel. So if you are brand new to my channel, then browse through the collection of videos that I have on my channel. I post variety of videos on how you can make good amount of money online. You can check out my channel. I have different videos regarding how to make $100 per day with the trick, how to make $250 per day just by doing just 30 seconds of work, how to earn money from TikTok, etc. I have certain videos which have very powerful strategies that you can implement and start making money right away. All the information in these videos is absolutely 100% free. So if you like the content in these videos, then please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for instant notifications. So let's hop over to the method which will make you rich almost overnight. So this is a site called Conquer. This particular site was started by a very famous internet marketing guru called Alex Becker. You can search him on the YouTube. So in this method I'm gonna be talking about a thing called expired domains. So basically expired domains are those domains which have not been renewed by their owner. So for example, a person started affiliate marketing and he built a website, and that website started getting some traffic, good traffic, but then for some reason, due to some changes in his life, he decided to stop doing affiliate marketing and move on, and he forgot to renew the domain by paying fees. So that domain gets expired and comes within the purview of what is called expired domain. So this is what is called expired domain. So the thing about expired domains is that these expired domains still get a lot of traffic because of the quality of content that was put on that particular domain. So you can either find out those domains yourself. It will take a lot of time, or you can head over to this particular site called Conquer, where you can find certain gigs who offer you these expired domains. So for example, this person called Saket Wahi is giving you expired domains. So this particular gig's name is 5 Powerhouse PBN Domains. So let's just read this. Are you looking for powerful expired domains for PBN? Don't need to worry. I will provide you with the best expired domain with clean backlink profile and spam check. My domain is 100% quality assured with help move sites quickly. So if you are wondering what's this all about, you can do a little bit of research and you will find all these matrices, TF, CF, DA, PA, RD. These all are matrices regarding domain, and these are all excellent matrices. You can do research on this, and they provide domains for .com, .net, .org, .us, .com, .au, or anything which you want basically. So you can just browse through this, and here's something very interesting. You probably would pay between $40 to $120 for these domains, but here you will get these domains only for $7. So this is just a review. This is just an example. This is something which I just want to show you. This much money is actually possible. There's a review that by this particular person called Superstar SEO. He says, I almost don't want to leave a good review here because I want to keep this service to myself. So he's very secretive of the service. But game respects game, so I am going to tell it like it is and why you need to make this gentleman your only source of buying domains. Over the last couple months, I have now bought 70 domains from this vendor. Using those domains, I have ranked 5 clients and 4 affiliate sites number 1 for incredibly high traffic and difficult terms, and have made well over $15,000 from them. That is like $14,500 return on my investment, using these domains and a few social signals and nothing else. If you aren't using these domains, you are not serious about making a SEO business, not care about your clients, or doing a disservice to our industry as a whole. Either start buying domains here, or you go find another link of work. Best domain vendor in the world. So you see, this person just bought domains from this particular guy. It costed him like $500, and he got a return of $14,500 on his investment. So this is pretty spectacular. What you do is you provide this person the affiliate offer, or if you have a blog, then you can provide the link to that blog. If you have a website, then you can provide link to that website. If you have YouTube channel, you can provide link to that. This person will drive traffic to your YouTube channel, so or anything which you have. So this is pretty cool way of earning a pretty decent amount of so basically, in this method, they will give you some good quality domains where you can post links to your blog or something, and then drive insane amounts of traffic. So this is one method. Another thing which you can do is you can get you can try out this gig as well. 5 high quality permanent contextual PBN links. So this person is gonna write an article over very popular blogs, and he's gonna put your link on that blog on that article, and so you can get good quality traffic from this service as well. So this is one way to drive good amount of traffic. Another thing is that if you do not want to spend any money, then you can manually search for these kind of things. So for example, let me show you an example. This is YouTube, for example. So if you're familiar with Tai Lopez, he has a program called 67 steps. So this person, for example, is reviewing his program. Say for example, this 67 steps review, Tai Lopez 67 steps, and he has given links here. So you need to just check out various videos and see if these links works or not. In this case, this link is working, so this is not of any use to us. We have to do trial and error and find out whether we can find any broken links or expired domains or things like that. Say for example, if I click on this link and it says that it is expired, or it says that it doesn't give me it is a broken link, it's not leading me anywhere, then I can go to hosting service provider and get this particular domain registered with me, and I can get all the traffic which this video generates. This video gets like 25,000 views. This is pretty small. You need to search for various videos which get good amount of traffic, and you need to test the links they have in the description by clicking them. If you're lucky enough, you can find a broken link, and then you can go to hosting services and get that particular domain registered in your name, and capture all that traffic and lead that all the traffic to your particular website, to your particular affiliate offer, to your particular YouTube video. So this is a very, very powerful way of earning very, very good amount of money online. I suggest you to actually try this method. This is very, very powerful method. It is used by internet marketing gurus all over the world. They very rarely tell about such kind of stuff. It's very, very powerful. So just try this out and tell me if this works or not. So this was today's video. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I post daily videos, if not daily, then in 1 or 2 days, videos about how to make money online. You can also put a suggestion in the comment section if you want any particular type of video. So that's it for today. I hope to see you back in another video. Bye bye.
Shit down.